We go to question 12, which is another local question, another opportunity to make a new sketch. So we'll need some new slots, and we'll need to add the condition that this question gives us, which is that Y's speech is at 1 p.m. Now once again, we don't know which room that's going to be in, although we do know that if Y is at 1 p.m., Z will be the other speech at 1, and that M and L will be bumped back to 2 and 3. Just like in the last question, we're going to have to write that information off to the side. Y is definitely at 1. M and L are going to be together in a room at 2 and 3. Z is going to be at 1 in whatever room Y isn't in, and X will be at 2 p.m. because it's the only space left. Just like the last question, we're not really going to be able to tell what room they go into. The if-then rule could trigger or not. So I guess we've written two sets of spaces that we don't really get to use, but that's okay, because we do have enough information to answer this question. They're looking for something that could be true, so all we need to find is something that is possible. 4 answer choices are impossible, and the one we want is possible, and we can stop when we find it. Answer choice A says that L is at 1 in the gold room. We know that L is at 3, so that can't be our answer. Answer choice B says that L is at 2, which we also know can't be our answer because L is at 3. Answer choice C says that M is at 2 in the gold room, which, sure, we know that M is at 2. We know he could be at 2 in either room, so answer choice C is our answer. We could stop there, and on the day of the test, definitely trust the work that you've done. Select C and move on. But to find out why D and E are wrong, well, they're both about X being at hours that we know X isn't. Answer choice D says that X is at 3, but no, he's at 2. Answer choice E says that X is at 1, but no, he's at 2. So the only answer that could be true is answer choice C, and it is our answer.